Right, part 14. It is later in the day, May 26, 2021, Wednesday afternoon. And I am 98% completed with the allegorical Bleechie sea monster lower left, and I'm been working on the largest one, which is kind of across from the center left going down there. And so far it's looking to be like something completely different than I've ever drawn, ever. And I've been making art since around 1970. So it's good to keep me vital, do something now and then that's completely unlike anything done before. Alright, a quick view of the upper sections, which are completed. Alright, stay tuned. Thank you.